Have you ever wondered how to make money off TikTok? If you haven't, it's high time you did, because TikTok is not just a platform for sharing entertaining videos, it's a goldmine of opportunities. With over 500 million active users worldwide, TikTok has transformed from a simple video sharing app to a powerful marketing tool. It's a digital stage where creativity meets commerce. The popularity and influence of TikTok are undeniable. It has become a launchpad for trends, a platform for brand awareness, and a place where even the simplest content can go viral overnight. This means there's potential for anyone, yes, anyone, to earn money on the platform. From sponsored posts to brand collaborations, the possibilities are as vast as the ocean. So if you're ready to dive into the world of TikTok and start earning, keep listening. The world is at your fingertips, and with TikTok, the world could be watching. First things first, you need to create a strong and engaging profile. Now, you might be wondering how to go about that. Well, it's simpler than you think. Let's break it down. Start with your profile picture. It's the first thing people see, so make it clear and captivating. Don't be afraid to show your personality. This is your chance to make a great first impression. Next, craft an engaging bio. This is your opportunity to tell people who you are and what you're about. Keep it concise yet intriguing. Remember, your bio should give people a reason to follow you. Lastly, be consistent with your content. If you're all about fashion, let your content reflect that. If you're into comedy, let your humor shine through. Consistency helps to establish your brand and keeps your audience coming back for more. Remember, first impressions count, so make your profile stand out. Once your profile is set up, you need to start building a following. Think of your following as your community, your tribe, your audience. These are the people who will engage with your content, share it, and ultimately, help you make money on TikTok. But how do you go about attracting these followers? First and foremost, engage with others. TikTok is a social platform after all. Respond to comments on your videos, engage with other creators' content, and be an active participant in the TikTok community. This not only increases your visibility, but also helps you to understand what kind of content resonates with your potential followers. Next, focus on creating unique content. People are drawn to originality, to things that stand out. What sets you apart? What is your unique selling point? Maybe you have a knack for comedy skits, or perhaps you're a whiz at makeup tutorials. Whatever it is, make it your own. This will help you attract a loyal following that is genuinely interested in what you have to offer. Then, there's the power of hashtags. Hashtags are like breadcrumbs leading potential followers right to your profile. They categorize your content and make it discoverable. But it's not just about slapping any old hashtag on your posts. You need to use them effectively. Research trending hashtags, but also consider creating your own. This could be a unique tag that represents your brand or a challenge that encourages user engagement. Lastly, don't forget about consistency. Consistency not only in the frequency of your posts, but also in the quality and style of your content. Your followers need to know what to expect from you. Consistency breeds familiarity, and familiarity breeds loyalty. Building a following on TikTok isn't about overnight success. It requires effort, creativity, and a genuine desire to connect with your audience. It's about building relationships, not just numbers. Remember, the more followers you have, the more potential for earning money. Now let's talk about the fun part, making money. With TikTok's soaring popularity, there are several ways to monetize your content. Let's delve into some of the most effective ways, starting with brand partnerships. This method involves partnering up with brands to promote their products or services. In return, you receive a commission for each sale made through your promotion. The key to successful brand partnerships is aligning with companies that resonate with your personal brand and audience. Next, we have live gifts. These are virtual gifts that viewers can purchase and send to creators during live streams. Once you receive these gifts, TikTok converts them into diamonds, which can then be exchanged for real money. The more engaging and interactive your live sessions are, the higher the chances of receiving these gifts. So, don't shy away from hosting Q&As, challenges, or even mini concerts on your live streams. Finally, let's touch on the TikTok Creator Fund. This is a pool of money that TikTok has set aside to pay creators for their content. The amount you earn depends on various factors like the number of views, engagement, and adherence to the platform's community guidelines. To be eligible, you need to be at least 18 years old and have a minimum of 10,000 followers and 10,000 views in the last 30 days. If you meet these criteria, you can apply via the app and start earning. Remember, these are not the only ways to monetize your TikTok content. You could also sell merchandise, offer online courses, or even use your TikTok fame to drive traffic to other platforms and ventures. The possibilities are endless. In conclusion, the key to successful monetization on TikTok lies in diversification. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Experiment with various methods, see what works best for you, and diversify your income streams. This will not only maximize your earnings, but also provide a safety net should one income source dwindle. So choose wisely and diversify your income streams. Now that you know how to make money, it's important to stay consistent and engage with your audience. Consistency is like the heartbeat of your TikTok channel. It keeps your content alive and relevant. Imagine this. You're a viewer who's just discovered a TikTok channel you love. You're eager for more content, but the creator posts sporadically, and you never know when to expect a new video. Chances are you'll lose interest, but if that creator posts regularly, you'll know when to tune in and your anticipation will build. That's the power of consistency. Now let's talk numbers. There's no magic number for how often you should post, but a good rule of thumb is to aim for at least once a day. The more you post, the more opportunities you give your audience to engage with your content. And the more they engage, the more TikTok's algorithm favors you. It's a beautiful cycle, isn't it? However, consistency isn't just about quantity, it's about quality too. Your followers need to know that they can rely on you for engaging and valuable content every time. If you consistently deliver, they'll consistently show up. And speaking of showing up, let's dive into engagement. Engagement is the lifeblood of any social media platform, and TikTok is no exception. It's not enough to post regularly. You also need to interact with your audience. Respond to comments, ask questions, start conversations. Your followers will appreciate the personal touch, and it will build a sense of community around your content. Finally, don't forget to keep up with trends. TikTok is a fast-paced platform, and trends can come and go in the blink of an eye. If you can hop on a trend early, you'll increase your chances of going viral and attracting new followers. So to sum it all up, post regularly, engage with your audience, and keep your finger on the pulse of TikTok's ever-changing landscape. Remember, consistency and engagement are key to maintaining and growing your following. Another great way to grow your following and increase your earnings is through collaborations. Picture this. You're not alone in the TikTok universe. It's filled with creators just like you, who are eager to share their content. By teaming up with them, you can tap into their audience and they, in turn, can tap into yours. It's a win-win situation, but collaborations aren't limited to fellow creators. Brands are always on the lookout for fresh faces and voices to promote their products. If your content aligns with a brand's vision, they might just reach out to you for a collaboration. Think of collaborations as a bridge, connecting you to new audiences and opportunities. It's like hosting a party where everyone brings a friend. Suddenly, your network has doubled, tripled, even quadrupled. And with that comes the potential for increased earnings and growth. Remember, collaboration is a great way to reach a wider audience and increase your potential earnings. So there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to make money off TikTok. We've covered the essentials, the power of TikTok, creating a strong and captivating profile, and building a solid following. You've learned about the importance of monetizing your content, whether through brand partnerships, merchandise sales, or TikTok's Creator Fund. We've highlighted the significance of consistency and engagement, reminding you that your audience is your community. They're your fans, and they're the ones who will help you earn. And let's not forget about the power of collaboration. Working with other TikTok creators can not only increase your reach, but also offer fresh perspectives and content ideas. Remember, every TikToker's journey is unique, and success doesn't happen overnight. It takes time, creativity, and a lot of hard work. But with perseverance, your TikTok side hustle could turn into a lucrative full-time gig. Now it's your turn to become TikTok famous and start earning money. Good luck!